Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best feet and inches calculator is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working with measurements. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a construction professional, or just someone who needs to convert measurements, this calculator simplifies the process. It eliminates the need for manual calculations, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of a top-notch feet and inches calculator. Number 5. Calculated Industries CM Pro Construction Math Calculator. This award-winning construction calculator helps you solve all your dimensional math quickly and accurately. It has powerful built-in solutions for layouts, plans, bids, and estimates. It works directly in the building units you prefer. This calculator lets you easily work in and convert between all common building dimension formats. It handles feet-inch fractions, decimal feet inches, yards, and metric units. It also includes area, volume, and degree conversions. It has time-saving built-in functions for right angles. You can get instant solutions for square-ups, rafters, rake walls, slopes, and angles. It also provides complete stair layout calculations. This calculator helps prevent costly material waste with built-in solutions. It assists with roofing, drywall, studs, blocks, and concrete footings. It also has compound miter functions. This is a great tool for contractors, estimators, builders, framers, remodelers, renovators, and carpenters. It is designed to make your job easier and more efficient. It is a must-have tool for anyone in the construction industry. What we like. This calculator offers comprehensive dimensional math solutions, perfect for complex construction projects. It has built-in functions for right angles, rafters, and more. If you're a contractor or involved in detailed building work, this is the tool for you. It will save you time and prevent costly material waste. What people say. Has all the features of the 4065 and the 4080 trig model. Works great and made in America. Does easy calculations for stairs, rafters, etc. Number 4. Calculated Industries 8510 Home ProjectCalc Calculator. This calculator lets you enter dimensions just like you say them. It handles feet, inches, fractions, and more. It converts measurements into the units that work best for your project. Determining your project needs is easy with the dedicated function keys. Input your measurements, select your material, and calculate the quantity and costs. This helps you avoid surprises. Never buy too much or too little material again. It helps you estimate quantities and costs. This simplifies your home improvement projects and reduces trips to the store. Ensure you get only the paint you need to finish the job. Avoid having leftover paint or running out mid-project. This helps you manage your materials efficiently. Easily estimate the tile quantity needed for your project. Calculate your square footage, determine the tile required, and compare costs. The calculator comes with everything you need. What we like. This calculator simplifies home improvement projects with dedicated building function keys. It helps you estimate material quantities and costs. If you are a DIY enthusiast, this calculator helps you avoid buying too much material, saving you money and storage space. You'll get only what you need to finish the job. What people say. A very good calculator. My husband used it for a course and now he uses it in his work and it works perfectly. It's very fast. Easy to add inches plus feet, also easy to convert back and forth. I like the conversion functions, yards, feet, inch, and meter. It does not do millimeters or centimeters, but if you can figure out the decimal point you don't need to buy the more expensive model. Number 3. Victor C6000 Construction Calculator with Protective Case. This is the Victor C6000, designed for on-site use. It has built-in equations perfect for solving slope, rafter, and roof dimensions. It's the perfect tool for any construction project. The C6000 is loaded with useful functions. It includes stairway construction calculations, such as risers and treads. It also handles circular calculations, making it a versatile tool. You can easily work in and convert between units. It handles both US imperial units and the metric system. It also includes area, volume, perimeter, and weight functions. This calculator helps you avoid material waste. It accurately estimates building materials like concrete and drywall. This helps ensure you don't waste costly materials. The C6000 is heavy-duty and reliable. Each unit includes a protective case and a reference guide. Batteries are included, so it's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This calculator is perfect for on-site use, with built-in equations for roofs and rafters. It also includes stairway construction functions. If you need a reliable calculator for various construction tasks, including imperial and metric units, this is a great choice. It's built to handle the demands of the job site. What people say. Performs a multitude of functions, and the function commands are intuitive and should be easy to learn. This comes with a case and flip cover to protect the unit from damage. Product all tradesmen should have, good quality product, super accurate. Number 2. Victor C5000 Construction Calculator with Case. Are you tired of estimating construction materials? This calculator helps you determine exactly what you need. It calculates everything from bricks to paint, making your projects easier. This tool figures out how much concrete, gravel, and lumber you'll need. It simplifies the process, saving you time and reducing waste. This will be your new best friend. The shock-resistant and spill-proof case keeps it safe on any job site. The included case ensures that it can withstand tough conditions. It's built to last. It works with both imperial and metric units, and converts between them. The display shows numbers in fractions or decimals. This flexibility makes it useful for any project. Not only does it calculate materials, but it also figures out the costs. This feature helps you stay within budget. It's a smart investment for any contractor. A pocket user guide is included and fits in the back for easy access. This guide ensures you can quickly learn how to use it. It's designed for ease of use. What we like. This calculator accurately calculates the materials required for your project, from bricks to paint. It comes with a shock-resistant and spill-proof protective case. If you need a calculator that is easy to use and can handle both imperial and metric units, this is a great choice. It's designed to withstand the rigors of any job. What people say. It is easy to use, and instructions are clear and uncomplicated. Its functions are not difficult to understand, it is accurate and its speed of operation quick. It is an indispensable tool to do projects accurately and with as little overpurchase and waste as possible. Number 1. Calculated Industries 8528 Metric DIY Calculator. This calculator simplifies working with centimeters and meters. It handles square and cubic formats, making calculations a breeze. It's designed to make your projects easier. Need to convert BTU to kilowatt-hours? This tool has you covered. It's perfect for electric radiators and gas fires. It also calculates the BTUs needed to heat a space. The ProjectCalc Plus MX comes with metric-based default values. You can customize these values to fit your specific needs. It's all about making your work more efficient. Solve right triangle problems with ease. It finds the diagonal, helping you square up areas. This is ideal for ensuring accuracy, like when pouring concrete. This calculator is designed for do-it-yourself projects. It simplifies complex calculations, saving you time and effort. It's a must-have tool for any project. What we like. This calculator works in centimeters and meters, making it ideal for metric-based projects. It also features a BTU conversion function. If you are working on projects that require metric measurements and need to calculate heating requirements, this is the perfect tool for you. It simplifies your calculations. What people say. Easy to use, with hard plastic case just by closing the front TI, stay free of dirt or cement dust. Que vous pouvez calculer les 1-2-3-4 to 1-4 de pouces facile exemple 7 lattes x 7-1-4 égale 53-4 avec cette calculatrice c'est facile. Très pratique pour les calculs de construction et pour passer l'examen de compagnon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.